Hey guys, welcome to another daily vlog. And guess what came in the mail today? Some more accessories for the Model 3. So please, if this is the first time watching the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On this channel, we review Teslas and we review Tesla products and accessories and other items. All right. So today this box came in the mail today, and let's see what it is. Oh, let me grab a knife here so I can cut this open. All right. Ah. I think I know what this is, but let's just make sure and open this up. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see what it is. What do we have here for the Tesla Model 3? Oh, it's my car vacuum. The cordless car vacuum. Because everybody knows that your Model 3 black interior gets pretty dusty. And in order to maintain it properly, it's good to have a little car vacuum. And the one that I got and ordered was a cordless vacuum with a lithium battery. So it would allow me to charge up to see what it comes with. Interesting. Comes with a little case here. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. I picked this up for only $39.99 on Amazon. Let's see what else it comes with. Okay, so this is the vacuum itself. As you can see, it's a pretty small vacuum. Yeah, decent quality. Looks pretty nice, pretty nice. Let me set this aside here. See what other accessories it comes with. So I guess this is the charger here. This is a little hose accessory that it comes with. And I guess this is the suction tube. It's pretty small, but it will do. See, this is a very important accessory because in order to maintain your Model 3 and get all the dust away and have it in good condition, short unboxing video of the CarVacuum, a highly needed accessory, and I recommend each and every one of you go out and purchase a CarVacuum. Just something to keep handy so you can be able to, you know, clean up the little messes. Because the thing about the mess that the Tesla, you know, the black interior, it tends to pick up a lot of dust. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this in the back of the vehicle where I can, you know, daily, you know, vacuum the vehicle. It just takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You know, it's something to easily maintain your Tesla. Okay, so another short video, and that's all I gotta say. So thank you and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.